Hey! What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel.
Hi guys, hope you're doing great today. Alex, how's your day been so far?
Honestly, busy, but good. I woke up late, spilled coffee on my shirt. Classic me.
So, not your best morning?
Definitely not. But hey, that's actually perfect for today's topic.
Exactly. Today we're talking about your past and, more importantly, all the past tenses in real life conversation.
If you've ever said, I know past simple, but I get confused, this video is for you.
So grab a coffee, relax, and don't forget to...
Like, subscribe, and stay till the end. You'll actually feel the tenses.
Let's start simple. Alex, what did you do yesterday?
Okay. Yesterday, I worked all morning. Then I met a friend for lunch. And I watched a movie at night.
Perfect. Guys, listen carefully. He said worked, met, watched.
This is past simple. We use it for finished actions in the past.
For example, I woke up at 7. I forgot my keys. I didn't like the movie.
Quick tip. If you hear words like yesterday, last night, 2 days ago, past simple is your best friend.
And yes, did plus base verb. I did go. I didn't understand.
Let's pause for a second. Some verbs are sneaky.
Yeah, irregular verbs.
For example, go, went, see, saw, have, had.
When Alex says, I met a friend, meet becomes met.
Important word here, meet. It means, to explain naturally, to see someone on purpose.
Not accidentally. That's a different story.
So repeat after me. I met my friend yesterday.
Now let's level up. Alex, what were you doing at 8 p.m. last night?
At 8 p.m., I was watching a movie.
Guys, did you hear that? Was watching.
That's past continuous. We use it for actions in progress in the past.
For example, I was cooking when you called. She was driving.
Key structure. Was, were, plus verb ing.
And notice, past continuous often sets the scene.
Now watch this combo. I was watching a movie when my phone rang.
Boom, 2 tenses, 1 sentence.
Background action, past continuous. Short action, past simple.
Another example, I was studying when the power went out.
Important phrase here, went out. It means the electricity stopped.
Not going outside. Context matters. Let's talk about the past that doesn't exist anymore.
Ah, memories.
Alex, what did you used to do as a kid?
I used to play outside every day. I used to hate vegetables.
Guys, used to equals past habit. Something true before, not true now.
For example, I used to wake up early. Now I don't.
Grammar note. After used to plus base verb.
Now here's a confusing one. Would.
Not would for future. This is past repetition.
For example, when I was a child, I would visit my grandma every summer.
Sounds nostalgic, right?
Important difference. Used to, state or habit. Would, repeated actions only.
Okay, focus time. Past perfect.
This tense talks about the past before the past.
Example, when I arrived, he had already left.
Structure. Had plus past participle.
Keyword, already. It means before that moment.
Let me tell you a quick story.
Story time.
Last year, I was living in another city. I used to work night shifts.
Sounds exhausting.
One night, I was driving home when I realized I had forgotten my wallet.
Of course you did. Let's fix some mistakes.
went there. Nope.
I went there, or I was going there.
Choose one tense. Don't mix forms.
And stop saying, did you went?
It's, did you go?
Before you go, quick teaser for the next episode.
In the next video, we're bringing all these past tenses.
Straight into the IELTS speaking test.
You'll hear a real-style IELTS question and a full answer using
Past simple, past continuous, used to, would, and past perfect.
no memorized answers, no fake perfection.
Just natural Band 7 plus level speaking.
So if IELTS is on your list, or even in your nightmares,
Don't miss the next one.
see you very soon.
Describe a time when you learned something important. You should say what you learned, how you learned it, why it was important, and explain how it changed you.
Well, I'd like to talk about a time when I learned something really important about myself. About 3 years ago, I was going through a very stressful period in my life. At that time, I was working long hours, and I used to believe that being busy meant being successful. However, one day, something unexpected happened. I had been ignoring my health for months, and eventually I got seriously exhausted. Before that moment, I had never realized how important balance was in my life. I used to skip meals, and I would stay up late almost every night. After that experience, I started to change my daily routine. I stopped working nonstop, and I began paying more attention to myself. Looking back now, I think that experience taught me a valuable lesson. It completely changed the way I see success, and it helped me become more self-aware.
Your turn now. What were you doing yesterday at 9 p.m.? And write one sentence with used to. Practice is everything. Grammar lives in sentences, not rules. All right, guys, that's it for today.
If this video helped you even a little,
Hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning English.
and remember, your past is a story.
Learn how to tell it confidently.
See you in the next one.